know what I hate about this exam? That it's at 8 in the morning. I'm just not used to getting up at 7. It's not because I didn't try to sleep. It's because I couldn't. I went to bed at midnight, but I couldn't sleep until 2 p.m. Look at that. That's my cheating sheet for math. And I'll have to use those sheets to write on. I stole them from my printer. I don't have any other ones. Because I don't have like a notebook or something where I write stuff, because all I write is either on my PC, because I have a tablet PC so I can also write with hand, or I write it in my phone and like notes or something. So I don't really need a notebook, because the concept of using sheets, using paper is old, I think. I would rather have my stuff digitally than on paper, because I lose the papers and I can't copy them so easily like I can with files. Okay. Yeah, this test is going to be, well, I don't want to say it's going to be easy. I think it's going to be easy, but I can't tell yet. But I only need 13 points of 30 so that I have an A. That's how good I am. So I'll just have to have 2 of 4 answers correct. Whatever. Yeah, okay. Then I will see you when I get to uni. Because I've been sleeping 20 more minutes. Oh, whatever. So, well, yeah, I showed you this cheating sheet and whatever. And it's pretty empty today, isn't it? I remember that on the first day of vlogging, that was the day also before a math test, and I also showed you the sheet. And there was a little bit more on it. And basically everything I wrote on it, I already know. At least now, so I don't need it, but whatever, I have it in case all the pressure during the exam will make me forget everything, and at least have this sheet. Okay. Yes, I said it's gonna be a pretty easy test. Oh, I think so. I mean, 13 out of or off 30? But I should be able to do that. And this here, or this now, is the last time, at least for this semester, that I'm going to be here. Let's go down the trumpets. Yeah, and I think I'll see you once the test is over. Hi. So the test was kind of easy. There was one exercise which I couldn't solve. They did it when I was sick in the exercise part of this course, so I have never tried it. have to get. This guy is pretty much the only one who knows that I'm vlogging, because I linked it to him. I met him at the Uzi. Whatever. Where am I going? My bike is here. Anyway, I couldn't solve one of the exercises, so I'll get a maximum of 21 points, because these 9 points I've lost them. And well, I solved the other ones, but I don't know if they're correct. They were so easy, it was just such a little bit, so maybe I made it wrong, but whatever. I should get 13 points. It would be sad if I just get a few points. And if I get under 10 points, I'm negative anyway, and I can repeat this. Whatever, okay. I'll see you. So when I said he's the only one who knows I'm vlogging, and I obviously meant the only one from the university area, so from my colleagues, because obviously you also know I'm vlogging. Okay, now I have 2 hours to study for the next exam. But I think I'll waste 1 hour eating or just chilling. Whatever. Okay, talk to you later. So I can't study if I'm hungry, and I think I'm hungry because I have to study. Okay. Let's talk about this test. Exam, whatever. So basically, I don't like the subject because it's just have to learn it by heart. I don't like learning things by heart. I mean, the topics are interesting generally. Recommender systems, neural networks, artificial neural networks. As a computer science student, I really should know about these things. But what we learn there, it's just so basic stuff that it's not about understanding, but rather about learning the facts. I don't like that. I mean, the only thing I know about neural networks, I mean about the artificial ones, is that the inputs with the weights are summed up, and then there is a deciding function, and the result is the output is the input for other nodes. Yeah. And then somehow this magically works. And there are 2 types. I don't know the names for that. One is just straightforward, where there can be layers, and the other ones are connected so that they can have memory. And names are also such things where I just have to learn them. That's why I don't know them. I just write it as I told you. So I'll just talk around it and it will be right, hopefully. But I'm not planning to get a good grade on this exam. A pass would be okay. If I just pass it, I will still get a B, because I have an A on the exercise part, and the exercise part counts for 60%. So to get an A, I would have to write a B on the exam, and I just didn't study enough for that. Basically, I just started today. I mean, I read through it yesterday, but I didn't really learn, really study, whatever. Okay, so then I will see you after the exam. I'm always hiding behind my thingy and my sunglasses. Cappy? I don't know what it's called. What's this called? I have no idea. So the test, well, it was pretty easy. I was in there in the damn hot lecture room, and I was writing for 1 full hour.
I stopped 2 minutes before the exam was over. Was just writing what I knew, and I could answer every question, but I don't know if everything is correct. I think a bit of information is missing in my answers. But whatever, it depends on how she grades it. But I'm pretty sure that I'm positive overall, so maybe even a bit better. We will see. I don't care. Okay, and now I'll go home, or drive home, and learn for the exam tomorrow. Well, learn, study. I mean, I will watch the videos he put online, and that should be enough. Where's my bike? Anyway, here. Okay. Then I will see you tomorrow. Or you see me. You know the deal. Goodbye.